Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Today we are going to move on to another important chapter of Indian polity M. Lakshmikant book, that is Prime Minister. Now it's very important when it comes to preliminary examination. These short chapters are really important. They can easily pick out 2 to 3 questions directly from these chapters of M. Lakshmikant. So make sure that you study these topics very attentively in a very disciplined manner. Also, the articles mentioned in these chapters are really important. Okay, let's start. So when we talk about Prime Minister chapter, along with Prime Minister, you have to cover Chief Minister also. Okay, so this is how M. Lakshmikant has to be covered. You have to study 2 relatable topics together. For example, if you are studying about Supreme Court, simultaneously you can study about High Court, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Okay, so let's get started about Prime Minister. Before we start the topic, here's a small announcement for all of you. India's best program to crack UPSC has been launched by Unacademy. So if you take 2-year plus subscription or more than 2-year Iconic Plus subscription, then you will be a part of this weekly one-on-one personal mentoring program. अगर आप 2 साल का Unacademy Plus का Iconic subscription लेते हो, 2 साल या उससे ज़्यादा का, but Iconic subscription, तो आपको इस weekly one-on-one personal mentoring program का पार्ट बनाया जाएगा. अब इस प्रोग्राम की खासियत क्या है कि जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने खुद ये एग्जाम क्लियर किया है यूपीएससी सीएसई या फिर इंटरव्यू लेवल का उनको एक्सपीरियंस है, तो वो लोग आपको ट्रेन करेंगे, वो लोग आपको गाइड करेंगे, मेंटरशिप आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. और ये जो ऑफर है ये जून 30 तक ही वैलिड है, यानी कि आज ही ये वैलिड है, उसके बाद ये ऑफर वैलिड नहीं रहेगा. वी हैव ओनली लिमिटेड सीट्स, 100 सीट्स ओनली. सो दिस विल बी अ one-on-one individual personal mentoring program for all of you. So if you're interested, you can take the Iconic subscription on Unacademy Plus of 2 years or more. The link is provided in the description box below the video. So hurry up, take your subscription today. So now when we talk about Prime Minister, we have Article 75 of the Indian Constitution. Article 75 जो है हमारे Indian Constitution का, वो बात करता है Prime Minister के बारे में. Underline Article 75. It talks about the Prime Minister. Now Prime Minister, you have to know that is appointed by the President. कौन appoint करता है Prime Minister को? President appoint करता है. Article 75 इस Constitution का बात करता है Prime Minister के बारे में. Now basically there is no specific procedure for his election or appointment, but Article 74 says that there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President. So indirectly they are talking about the Prime Minister only. आर्टिकल 74 में पहले ये लिख दिया गया था कि काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर होना चाहिए जिसका नेतृत्व करेगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जो प्रेसिडेंट को एड और एडवाइस देगा, हेल्प करेगा मैनेजमेंट में, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में, और उनको सलाह भी देंगे. And President of India appoints a person as the Prime Minister who is either the leader of the party which holds majority seats in Lok Sabha or is a person who is able to win the confidence of Lok Sabha by gaining support of other political parties in case there is, you can say, अलायंस विच हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. तो जो पार्टी इलेक्शन में, लोकसभा के इलेक्शन में मेजोरिटी वोट के साथ जीतती है, उसी का जो लीडर होता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट होता है. या फिर जिस अलायंस की अगर पार्टी बनी है तो उस केस में अगर लोकसभा के सभी लोग, सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अगर किसी एक इंसान को चुनती हैं एज लीडर, तो ही कैन बी और शी कैन बी द प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. All the other ministers are appointed by President on the advice of Prime Minister, which become a part of this Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers, with the help of Prime Minister, they carry out the administration. And President also, remember one more interesting fact, President can also appoint Prime Minister on his own discretion, but only when no party has a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. For example, if there is an alliance party and there is no one particular majority to elect a person as a Prime Minister, in that case, President can appoint Prime Minister on his own. Okay? Prime Minister, as we all know, he has or she has different duties because they are the head of the country, they are the representative of the country. So some of his responsibilities are as the leader of the country. Prime Minister is the head of government of India. Please write it down, please underline it. Then Prime Minister has also the authority to assign portfolios to the ministers. Prime Minister के पास ये authority होती है कि ministers को अलग अलग portfolio assign कर सके. Somebody can be in charge of home ministry, somebody can be in charge of the health ministry, right? So he has that power. Then chairman of the cabinet. He is the chairman of the cabinet राइट ये तो हमें पता ही है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैबिनेट का चेयरमैन होता है एंड ही प्रिसाइड्स ओवर द मीटिंग्स ऑफ द कैबिनेट. ही कैन इम्पोज हिज डिसीजन इफ देयर इज अ क्रूशियल ओपिनियन डिफरेंस. अगर कैबिनेट के मेंबर्स के बीच में किसी तरीके का ओपिनियन डिफरेंस है तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बात फाइनल मानी जा सकती है. ही कैन इम्पोज हिज डिसीजन एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द ऑफिशियल representative of the country. He represents the country for high level international meetings. You must have seen Prime Minister Modi. He goes on to attend the high level meetings internationally. Why? Because he is the official representative of the country. And see, we know that we have a council of minister. Council of minister with the help of Prime Minister aids and advise the president. So between the president and council of minister, the bridging link is the Prime Minister. He communicates all decisions of cabinet to the president, which is related to administration. And Prime Minister is the head of Nuclear Command Authority, Niti Aayog, Appointments Committee of Cabinet, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space and Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance, Pensions. Space related कोई भी ऐसा mystical issue होता है ना, उसमें भी head कौन है? Prime Minister ही है. Nuclear Command Authority के head भी Prime Minister ही है. Atomic Energy के department की head भी Prime Minister है. And he acts as a chief advisor to the president. So like Prime Minister is the head of Union Parliament, State Parliament's head is Chief Minister. That is why when we study the chapter Prime Minister, simultaneously we study the chapter on Chief Minister. So what are the eligibility criteria to become an Indian Prime Minister? First of all, you need to be a citizen of India for that. Second of all, you need to be a member of either Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. And then you should have completed your 30 years if you are a member of Rajya Sabha and 25 years if you are a member of Lok Sabha. तो एक तो पहला होना चाहिए आप भारतीय नागरिक हो. सेकंड होना चाहिए या तो आप राज्य सभा के मेंबर हो या लोक सभा के. अगर आप राज्य सभा के मेंबर हो तो कम से कम 30 साल आप मेंबर रहे हो, और अगर लोक सभा के हो तो कम से कम 25 साल. ऐसे ही नहीं कोई भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया को भी देखा जाता है. So this was all about Prime Minister. I hope you enjoyed this lecture series on Prime Minister. It was really a very easy chapter, right? Simultaneously, we will cover in the next lecture about Chief Minister also.